Hey there, how's it going with your guitar playing? If your left hand fingers are feeling a bit sore, this is one exercise that you could do, I'm going to show you right now, to help you play with a lighter touch on the left hand. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place my first finger at the first fret, first string, and I'm not going to press down on the string, I'm just going to touch the string and play with my right hand. So with the sound that I'm getting is a muted sound. Then after that, the next step, step 2 would be to press a little bit until I get a consistent buzzing sound. Okay, so at this point, I just want to lean in to step 3, just put a slightly more pressure on the string until that buzzing sound goes away. Now that is the minimum amount of effort you need for the left hand in order to produce a good sound. You can try this with all the different fingers of the left hand, as well as different levels of loudness on the right hand. If you're playing louder, then of course you will need to hold down the string a little bit more firmly. If you're playing notes very quietly, then your touch on the left hand can be much lighter. So try this on your own, and if you found this tip useful, share it with a friend. If you have a question, just send it to us. Enjoy playing the guitar, and I'll see you in the next video.